Today, I want to talk to you about cul-de-sacs and on-ramps in your training and development. So before we get started, smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want more videos just like this. So when someone begins a new ministry role, we often provide them training to get them up and started. Pretty much everybody does this if they are a seasoned leader. However, in most churches, this is where we stop, because we provide that initial training, but then maybe we host a training event every year and we invite everyone, but it's the same information time and time again. So when that seasoned leader shows up, they hear the same thing on repeat again and again and again. Nothing's new, nothing's different. They are still stuck in a training cul-de-sac because we're not taking advantage of the skills they've learned and helping move them along. Instead, what we want to do is provide an on-ramp. An on-ramp of initial training gets someone going and up to speed, but it doesn't leave them there. It helps them get fully involved and make sure that the ministry that they're serving in, as they grow and as they build momentum, they keep that momentum going. You're providing them additional training based on that person's skill set, based on their level of competency, and based on that role. This ongoing training not only helps develop that individual person, but also helps the group or team learn and grow together as they move forward in ministry. Now that you understand the difference between a ministry cul-de-sac and a ministry on-ramp, what are you going to do about it?